expecting to see some of that snow starting overnight?
That's right. It'll start tonight in the high country and then eventually make its way down across the Front Range and the plains. But temperatures were in the 40s and 50s in the mountains today. Temperatures in the upper 60s here around Denver. Our record today was 72. We hit 68, so we were just a little bit shy of a record today, but that's really warm for this time of year. And as you see, we have nice clear skies looking out toward the mountains from downtown Denver. But our weather headlines include rain tomorrow for the metro area into the afternoon. Then as our temperatures drop, it'll change over to snow here for Denver and the eastern plains. So we're going to be involved in this storm as it moves through Colorado, but the mountain snow will be heavy at times, between 8 and 16 inches of snow for our higher elevations. Right now, though, we still have 58 degrees at DIA, 57 for Littleton, and 58 for Arvada, even Boulder at 63 degrees right now. It's still a little breezy to windy up into the foothills and the mountains. I think you'll notice tomorrow those winds are really going to pick up across the plains as that colder air starts to sink into our state. Rain and snow just starting to get going through western Colorado, but we really have a lot more energy heading this way, and it's all coming from California, Nevada, Arizona. It's coming this direction, so we're going to get the moisture that we need moving on through. Our futurecast showing you that throughout the overnight hours, we'll start to see those scattered snow showers. This will last until about 4 a.m. in the morning. We'll still have quiet conditions here for the Front Range. Overnight lows in the 30s tonight here. We'll also have 20s and 30s farther to the north. Our highs tomorrow in the low 50s. So it'll be mild for much of the first part of the day. Then we'll really notice the changes later in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will be dropping, of course, in the mountains. And I do think we may have some issues on the interstates because we have winter storm warnings there with all the snow that'll be moving through. So your planner for tomorrow, it's a first alert action day, 37 by 6 a.m., 42 by 9 a.m. Those winds really picking up into the afternoon as the rain starts to get going. But I wanted to show you our futurecast with winds. Look at how strong these winds are going to be through northeastern Colorado. We're talking about 30 to 40 miles an hour during the day, same into the high country and the foothills. As for the snowfall, this will be by 10:30 tomorrow morning, a big wave of snow coming through into the afternoon. We start to see some rain showing up. This will be by 2 p.m. and then another wave coming down across the eastern plains by 5 o'clock. So this may affect your commute for some wet roadways. It may change over to a little bit of snow as we're going through commute time. 6:30 p.m. you see that chance for rain and snow throughout the metro. We could still see some hanging around into the late evening hours, but also snow here for the eastern plains into the late evening hours. As for our snowfall totals, we're looking between 5 and 8 inches of snow here for the high country, 6 to 12 in the highest elevations, but all of these areas will get snow for tonight, tomorrow, and even into early Thursday, also across the eastern plains, about 1 to 3 inches. So 53 degrees tomorrow. Our temperatures will drop, much cooler air on Thursday. It'll be windy as well, 30s for highs, 49 on Friday.